it's Susan here and welcome to In the Craft Room. Today we've got our hands on issue number 16 and we're making the diamond square patch. The diamond square patch looks easy to make, but I think it'll be a little bit tricky. The diamond square patch was first seen around the 1870s on various quilts. It's also known as the Pride of Holland or the day and night patch. The diamond patch is a square within a square within a square. Let's get cracking and make our diamond square patch. To make our diamond square, we've got the teal gingham, the vintage floral and the pink stripe. With all of the other previous patches, I've also removed the Your Templates section of the magazine at the back, and I've usually photocopied these templates onto a light card. Then I have usually cut them out. Today I'm not going to be doing that. I'm going to access my template box. I have enough templates in here now to use the previous ones from previous squares. To make the diamond square, I'm going to be using from my template box 4 of the D templates, which we used on the windmill patch. We'll also need 2 of the C templates, which we've previously used. And in the double 4 patch, we also had this A template, which we're going to use again. I'm going to lay out my fabrics now and pop the correct template onto the correct fabric. So we've got our large A template on the vintage floral, 4 of the D templates on the teal gingham, and I folded over the pink stripe fabric and placed 2 of the C templates on top. We're going to be cutting out 4 as the fabric is doubled over. Our next job is to cut out our fabric using our templates. You may notice there's a different fabric here, as well as the green gingham. I've got this blue spot. I'm not too keen on this green gingham, so I'm going to replace this green gingham with this blue spot. I'm going to lay out the diamond square in front of me. And here we have the diamond square formation. I think the dark blue fabric makes this square pop a bit more. And if you look carefully at the pink stripe on the diagram, this half of the square, the pink stripe is running in a horizontal orientation, and this side of the square, the pink stripe is running in a vertical orientation. Time to stitch it all together. We're going to start sewing the inner square first. I'm going to be sewing each of the blue triangles on the side of the inner square. sewed the triangles onto the center square, and my next step is to give it a good press. So we're all pressed, and it's time to sew our large C template triangles along the edge of our inner square. Our pink stripe triangles from template C have been stitched around our inner square, and it's time to trim and press. So here we have our sewn, pressed and completed diamond square. I really like this blue fabric. I wasn't too keen on the green, although I was at the start going to be using the green. The blue is far more pleasing to my eye than the green. And I think it makes the colours in our vintage floral pop and look a lot more complementary with the blue. Although it looks really easy to make, it's semi-easy. It was a little bit tricky for me as a beginner for sewing, but it turned out okay. I'm quite happy with it. Some of the points, these 2 points are a bit gappy, and these have been consumed with the pink stripe fabric, but still I think it will look great on the quilt. I hope you found the diamond patch quite easy to make and enjoyed making it. Thank you for joining me in the craft room today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!